Properties of images formed by concave lens and convex lens. We are already seen the 6 cases in the convex lens image formed. Image will be formed depends upon the position of the object. Image position will be depends upon the position of the object. If object position changes, image position is also changes. Lens equation. From this lens equation, F1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Whereas, what is U, V and F? U is the object distance from the lens and V is the image distance from the lens and F is the focal length. This is your lens equation. To know this, we are considering a case in the convex lens. F is the focal length from the optic center till F, principal focus. The distance measured between O and F. The object distance from the O to object is measured as U. The image distance from optic center to the image is measured as V. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. To consider this, we need some sign convention. For this formula, we need some sign convention that is called as Cartesian sign convention. We know that mirror formula in your previous classes, how it is measured, how the signs are considered. Distance measured from the pole. Distance from the right of the mirror is positive, left of the mirror is negative, above the principal axis positive and below the principal axis negative. Again, consider a case in a convex lens from the origin till the object. Object is always kept at the left of the optical center. So, object distance should be measured in negative. Distance measured from the optical center and object is kept at the left side. So, object distance is measured in negative. This is your first and second rule. Measuring always the distance measured from the optical center. Object is kept at the left side. So the object distance is measured in negative. Third and fourth rule you know very well. The right side of the lens positive, left side of the lens negative, above the principal axis positive and below the principal axis negative. For the focal length. U object left of the optical center is considered as negative. Left of the lens negative. Image depends upon the position of the image. The positive and negative will be considered. The height positive and negative. Above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. Focal length for convex lens is always positive. Focal length for concave lens is always negative. Just like graph, left side negative, left side above the principal axis negative. These are all the 5 sign convention. This